Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to earn 20 cents per click unlimited times. It's so simple and easy. This method is completely free and the best part about it is that it works worldwide. So I'm gonna be showing you what website to use, how to do it, and how to earn the most. I'm going to go through this method step by step, so make sure to watch the entire video so that you can make the most amount of money. Before we get into the method, make sure to like and subscribe with notifications on. I post a couple of videos every week about the topic of making money online. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto this website right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen what the name of it is, but it's entireweb.com. But I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you can read it and type it in by yourself. So this website right here, it's a search engine. It's basically like Google, but it's not Google, it's EntireWeb. So you literally just search on the verb as you do with Google. But this website right here, this search engine, EntireWeb, is gonna pay you per click. It's gonna pay you 20 cents per click. So basically, Google is one of EntireWeb's competitor. So that's why they're paying you 20 cents per click, because they want you to use the search engine instead of Google. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this. So you want to go onto the top right corner and click on the three lines right here. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of different things. Now you want to click on affiliate right here, and it will be taken to this page right here. And this is how you're going to be earning money. Now you won't have to sell anything. You won't have to sell products to someone. Literally, you don't have to do any of that. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do. Now, as you can see right here, it tells you earn up to 20 cents for every click and get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. Now, if you go down here, it'll show you exactly what to do and how you'll earn your money. Now, as you can see here, it says get paid for every click. Now we'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate, and then everyone can join. So this works worldwide. Anyone, anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. So literally, this works worldwide. So it doesn't matter if you send this to someone who's in another country. As long as they join, you'll be earning money. You'll be earning every time they click on your link. Now, as you can see right here, easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. So it's literally that easy. You'll be earning for every visitor 20 cents. So if you think about it, 5 visitors, that's already $1. Okay, so before I show you how to sign up and how to get everything set up, I'm just going to be showing you how the payment goes. So as you can see, how and when will I be paid? As you can see, it says we pay our affiliates by PayPal. All earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are in US dollars. We do not support other payment methods. The minimum payout value is $50. You must enter your PayPal email address in your affiliate account settings in the payout options. Otherwise, we cannot pay you. So it says that the minimum payout value is $50. And you may think that that's a lot, but it's actually not a lot when you earn 20 cents per click. Think about it. 5 clicks is already $1. So as long as you get people to click on your link, you will be earning $50 really fast. So that's basically it. You only get paid by PayPal, so make sure to have a PayPal account to get paid. Now I'm going to be showing you how to create an account and sign up. Now you want to go up and you want to click on create account right here. And when you click on create account, you want to type in your first name, your last name, and then you want to just choose a tracking ID. You just want to remember it. Then you want to type in your username. Then down here you want to type in, you don't need to type in your company name, that's optional. Then you want to just, this is also optional, you don't have to type this in, but you can do if you want to. Then you just want to choose your country. As you can see, this works worldwide, so there's all the countries. And then you want to choose a payment method. Now, yeah, there's only PayPal to use, so you just want to type in your PayPal email. You can also use Pay, but I would use PayPal. So you just want to type in your PayPal email, and then you just want to fill in this, and then agree to terms and conditions and sign up. Okay, so when you have signed up, this is what the dashboard is going to be looking like. So as you can see, I've earned $0, but that is because this is a brand new account. I have another account that I've been using, but I just don't want to show like my information for that account. But this website right here, this is how it looks like, and at the top, as you can see, it says general affiliate link. So that's your affiliate link, and you can see the link at the top. You want to copy that link, and then I'm going to be showing you what to do. So copy that link and I'll show you what to do with it. Okay, so when you've got your link, you want to type something like this, because you're going to want people to click on your link. So I just went to documents and I typed this. Better than Google? Try this new and free search engine called EntireWeb. Now you want to put your link right here after the arrow, and then I just type try it and let me know if it's better than Google. I bet it is. Now this is what you want to put on different forums. So as you can see, you want to put your link right here, and then you want to go to different forums about search engine and stuff, and you just want to put in your link. So there's different forums that you can use. One is Quora, then there's a lot of different ones, but I'm going to be showing you how to do this with Quora and maybe another site. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now Quora is one of many websites you can use. You can just type in different forums and a lot of different forums will pop up. So you don't have to use Quora, but for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this with Quora. Now, you just want to go up here and you want to click on the search bar. So you just want to type in search engine, or so as you can see, it says the first two things that pops up is what is search engine optimization and what is the best web search engine. As you can see there, instantly you can answer this question right here by putting your link. So as you can see right here, you just want to take exactly what you wrote in that document and you want to comment it right here, and that will get people to click on it. As you can see, a lot of people have answered. As you can see, someone has already used EntireWeb. Now if someone's already used it, you don't really want to put your link. You can, but I would recommend not to, because you will not get as many clicks, but you may still get some clicks. As you can see, this guy right here got like 1 upvote and 1 share, and he's just literally just posted his site. So that's basically it. You want to get clicks just like that, and as you can see, if 5 people just click on your link from this comment right here, you can easily get that, and that's already $1. So the amount of money you can earn is, if you put in time, and if you put in time, you'll be able to earn quite some money. So as I said, you don't have to use Quora. There's a lot of different websites you can use, like different forums. So just search up forums and a lot of them will pop up. So that was basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below and I will be happy to help. Now, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.